Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about restless leg syndrome. It is a pathological and painful condition where we see it or we experience it in everyday day-to-day life. Mainly in Ayurveda, we will see in this video or we will discuss in this video in which Ayurveda is explaining restless leg syndrome and Ayurvedic ways to cure it. I am Dr. Kanchana Lakshmi, Care Herbs Ayurveda Clinic, Panjagutta. Restless leg syndrome is a nervous disorder caused due to the vata or a disorder of that part of nervous system which causes an urge to move the legs. It is characterized by an irresistible urge to move one's body to stop uncomfortable or odd sensations. This restless syndrome usually interferes with sleep and sleep patterns. Insomnia or sleep disturbances are common symptoms of RLS. Therefore, it is also considered as a sleep disorder. On the contrary, that people having sleeplessness will have varying proportions of this restless leg syndrome. This restless syndrome commonly affects legs. In some people, it also affects arms, head, torso, etc. When this affected part is moved, it gives temporary relief as such. Lifestyle modifications or home remedies are a must to get relief from this restless leg syndrome. Now we are going to see few tips or few lifestyle changes to get relief from this restless syndrome. Now we are going to see few home remedies or few tips to get relief from this RLS. Majorly keep moving to get relieved from pain. Morning weight training, walk, jogging or evening post dinner brisk walk at a moderate pace can help. Reduce caffeine consumption, avoid smoking, hydrate yourself, drink water liberally. And beating stress or reducing stress by doing breathing techniques, meditation, yoga, and late night works, retiring from late night works, keeping home and office affairs distinct from each other, etc. Increase your electrolytes, that is, a depletion of calcium, minerals like sodium, magnesium, sometimes leads to RLS. So, increasing your electrolyte or balancing the electrolytes also helps in RLS. Stretching exercises also sometimes relieves these crampings or tight muscles and give relief in RLS. In Ayurveda, we cannot compare this restless syndrome with any of the disease. But according to Ayurveda, mostly neurological and degenerative disorders can come under Vata Vyadhi. And the symptoms seen in RLS like feeling pins and needles, pain, weakness, cramping, etc. are all comes under this Vata Vyadhi conditions. Mainly to relieve this Vata Vyadhi or RLS, we need to do Abhyanga therapy where massage of the afflicted part using medicated oils. Abhyanga, when performed as a daily practice, keeps up the health of the low back nerves supplying the lower limbs while avoiding painful conditions even in the process of inevitable aging. Padabhyanga foot massage is an essential part of Ayurvedic massage. It should be mandatorily done as a part of Sarvanga Abhyanga or whole body massage. It is not only a soothing treatment, it also is said to be preventive and healing treatment for RLS. Treatments like Svedana or heart fomentation, Nadi Sveda or tube or a pipe fomentation, etc. and Pinda Sveda where a bolus is taken and fomented, or Patra Pinda Sveda where many medicated leaves are taken and performed fomentation. These are all help in this condition which is known as RLS. Coming to internal medications, mainly Snehapana, that is internal oil consumption or ghee processed with medicinal drugs is used orally in metered doses on daily basis. Snehana will help in lubricating, soothing and strengthening the muscles and nerves. Sneha is the best in the business of combating Vata, thus help in soothing the nerves of the low back and lower limbs. Snehapana gives outstanding results in relieving the symptoms of RLS. It also attends the disease from its roots. Medicines like Bala, Atibala, Ashwagandha, Atirasa, that is Shatavari and Brahmi, all these medicines, when taken internally, help combat RLS symptoms.